Hi students, today we are moving to next chapter, the chapter name, chapter number 16, perimeter and area. And before going into the problems, we need to know some basic information about perimeter of different sizes and different shapes. Okay, these are some points we need to remember. This is a rectangle and this is a parallelogram. Okay, they are having length and breadth. Okay, this is also length and this is also breadth. This is a parallelogram. This shape is known as parallelogram, and this part is length and this part is breadth. Okay, so when we are looking into a parallelogram and a rectangle, they will have their opposite sides will be always equal. In this case of rectangle, this is length. Okay, this side is length and this side is also length, and this part is breadth and this side is also breadth. This L and L will be equal, which means opposite sides will be equal, and this B and B also will be equal. Same as in case of a parallelogram also, length will be, the opposite sides will be equal. So L and here also one L will be there, that will be equal, and B and here also there will be a breadth, that will be equal. This L means length and this B means breadth. Okay, and in these cases, perimeter is found by a formula. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, length plus breadth into whole into 2. This is the equation for our perimeter. And next, in case of, this is a rhombus and this is a square. In case of a rhombus and square, their sides, okay, both are having equal 4 sides, and the 4 sides will be always equal. As we all know, square has its 4 sides equal. In rhombus also, shape will be different, but its all sides will be equal. So for a rhombus and a square, our perimeter is found by the equation perimeter P is equal to 4 into A. This A means any one side, okay, into 4 will give the perimeter of rhombus and square. And in the case of triangle, our triangle is having 3 sides, A, B and C. Okay, perimeter is found by sum of the 3 sides. A plus B plus C will give us the perimeter of a triangle. And in case we are not remembering the particular equation for the shape, okay, we can find perimeter by a simple method. That is, perimeter is always the sum of every side of the shape. Okay, now in this case, the equation is P is equal to 2 into L plus B, or else also perimeter by adding 4 sides. Okay, this rectangle is having 4 sides. While we add 4 sides, we will get the perimeter. In case of rhombus also, by adding 4 sides, we will get the perimeter. In case of rectangle also, while we are adding all the sides, we will get perimeter. Okay, so whatever the shape may be, whatever, we can get the perimeter by adding its all side. Okay, if you are not remembering the equation. Okay, students, we are moving into the exercise 16.1. Okay, 16.1. Question number 1, the first figure, and this is the second figure from the question number 1. Okay, while going into the first figure, we can understand it's a rectangle given, and its length is given as 8 meter, and its breadth is given as 3 meter. Okay, now we need to find, the question is that to find the perimeter of the following shapes. So, in rectangle, we know we can find using the formula. Rectangular and parallelogram, we can find using the formula 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so on doing 2, length is given here as 8 meter. Okay, this side is length and the long side will be length, and the short side of a rectangle will be breadth. 2 into length is given as 8 plus our breadth is given as 3. So 2 into 8 plus 3 will be 11. So 2 into 11 will be 22 is our perimeter of this rectangle. Now on moving into the second part of the same question, this is the square given. Okay, this symbol, this cut. Okay, this symbol means all the sides are equal. So this is a square, and this A, all are A, which means all equal, and one A in the question is given as 12. How to find or how to solve the perimeter for a square? As we know, for perimeter for a square, perimeter P is equal to 4 into A, and our A is given as 4 into 12. So 4 into 12, what is 4 into 12? 48. 48 centimeter is the perimeter of our square. Thank you. Okay, I will explain once more. Okay, from the question given, our length is, the longest part will be length and the shortest part will be breadth. Shortest side. Okay, length is given as 8 meter and breadth is given as 3 meter. For a rectangle, we know this is our equation. P is equal to 2 into L plus P, and while doing with the equation, our answer is 22. The unit will be meter, so 22 meter. And without the equation also we can solve this problem, because we know the opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So length this side and this side will be equal. So this part length is equal to 8 meter. Okay, and breadth here 3 meter, and this part also will be equal. So B is equal to 3 meter, because opposite sides of parallelogram and rectangle are always equal. While without the equation also we can solve by one method. How? By adding up all the sides. Okay, while adding up all the sides, perimeter will be L plus breadth plus L plus breadth. Okay, so what is our L8 plus, and breadth is 3 plus L8 plus 3. So this also will be 22 meter. Without the equation also we can find a rectangle or perimeter of any shapes in by adding all the sides on. And here this is a square, and A. This A is the side, one side of the square, and as we know, all the sides of a square will be always equal. So this is A, this is A, this is A, this is A. This all A. These four sides will be same, and our A is given as 12 centimeter. So this will be our equation. According to equation 4 into A. So 4 into 12, our answer will be 48. Or without the equation also we can solve, because this part is 12, so this is also 12, this is also 12, and this is also 12, since all the sides of a square are equal. So our equation, our perimeter without equation will be 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. That also will be 48 centimeter. So we can do or solve the problems of perimeter with or without equation for any shapes. Now we are moving into the next question. Question number 2, a part, and this is the figure given in the question. It's a triangle, and each sides of triangle are given, and they asked us to find the perimeter. So how we can find the perimeter of a triangle? As we know, the sides. Okay, perimeter for a triangle is the sum of all the three sides of a triangle. Sum of all the three sides of a triangle. So we are having, let's name the sides as A, B, and C. Okay, three sides. So what will be our perimeter of this triangle? That will be sum of all sides. So A plus B plus C. And what is our A given in the question as 5 centimeter, plus B given in the question as 3 centimeter, plus C given in the question as 4 centimeter. So 5 plus 3 will be 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter will be 12 centimeter will be the perimeter of the triangle. Thank you. Now we are moving into the next question, question number 3. Okay. In this question, the diagram is not given, only the information is given. I will read the question. Question number A. Parallelogram whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. We need to find the perimeter. Okay. So I am going to draw a parallelogram here. As we know, parallelogram will be of this shape. Parallelogram. Okay. Whose length is 12 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter given from the question. We know that for a in order to find the perimeter for a parallelogram, the equation is 2 into L plus B. Okay, what is the L given? So it's a simple question. What is the L given? L is given as 12 centimeter plus B is given as 7 centimeter, which means 2 into 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19 centimeter. So our answer will be 2 into 19 is equal to 38 centimeter will be the perimeter of the parallelogram.